Guys, I just went to the shops and I saw that they were selling NeeDohs, and guess what they were? It was the jellyfish fish, and it's blue. I'm so excited to open this. So let's get started. And by the way, guys, it was only €8. It's that cheap. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Just look. This is definitely not happening. Let's take 3, 2, 1. Look at it. It's so beautiful. It's glittery as well. Oh my god. Look at the little tentacles. Oh my god. It's so cute. Like, this is so good. It's a real NeeDoh. I'm so happy with myself. It's a jelly squishy. It doesn't say NeeDoh on it. Most of them don't say NeeDoh on it, but it doesn't mean they're fake. Like some of them they make are, you just don't have names on it, you know? You just know when you know, you know, no, you know when you know. Stay tuned for my next video, guys. Slay like you are the queen.